long time since I made a vlog, but we got exhaust from Matt's bike here. This is the tip, just the tip. Got the 650R taken apart. Not me, I was not here. Steven probably did from the looks of his pants. Matt probably didn't do a damn thing. Look how big this thing is. Oh yeah. That's a lot. That's actually wider than I thought it was gonna be. All right, here's the tip. Steven, pull that off. Pull my condom off. There it goes. Damn. Actually, well, it's a knockoff of Austin Racing, and what they give you instead of Austin Racing is that, which I don't think you want to put that on there, and it's pull up to the car me and that. You might get laughed at. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love these type of tips. Or I guess it's kind of a muffler, I guess you can call it. Oh, it says Austin Racing on the inside.
Wait, there's another.
Oh yeah, it does.
How the heck did he get an actual Austin Racing exhaust? Because that means,
dude, that's like that's plastic.
He must have got this on like some Gov deals or something like that.
Oh,
like,
dude, this is the Austin Racing. I bet. Check that out.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool.
Austin Racing. That's like an emblem. It's not like a sticker.
So where does this go? Exhaust? Oh, it's tape.
That's the. Austin
pipe.
Racing.
I thought it said tape. I'm stupid.
Handle that. Okay.
Huh. Got it off, and the reason why it was so hard is because we were trying to cut that. So we didn't really have to even cut that far, but me and Matt were doing it with the that and the Sawzall, and it was taking us so freaking violently. Like, it looked like we were trying to phase through a wall. So I'm so excited to hear this thing, and I'm ready to get it going. Good job, boys. Woo! Good job.
I got 3 more.
We're working really hard. Very proud. Very proud of you guys. Yep. You shot flames.
There's no way that's gonna be road legal.
Ran into a little problem. Cut the wrong weld on the header, so we take the header back off, and he's gonna put that back on there. Like so, I don't know. Man. This is annoying. Don't buy eBay exhaust. All right, so what we did here, we couldn't find, obviously there's no instructional videos. There's one video with a dude cut this whole piece off himself and has welded that on there. But there's this is like 2 layers. Cut the top layer off, and this could slide right on there, but obviously we're just figuring it out the same as everybody else. And if it works, this clip will be in here. If it doesn't, this clip won't be in here. All right, slid it on. Pretty good. He hammered the little piece down that you guys saw before. Yeah, you're gonna turn it this way, I guess.
Yeah.
You can spin it around the little piece that it's on, and it seems to be working better than the one other thing we saw on there, which was welding, cutting that whole thing and just welding it. But I guess you guys will see when we're done. All right, he shaved that little piece down that was on the end of that little second level. Shaved it down, hammered it on, twisted it, whatever. And what?
I don't got the
Sensor in.
That sounds good.
Oh my gosh, bro.
That's still super fucking loud, dude.
Yeah. Tacking on the little pieces.
No going back now.
I know. Well, I mean, he's gonna tack on a little one, so I mean, it might.
Hey, don't fuck up my flashlight.
Finishing up here, we're gonna get
my terrible welds.
Oh, that won't show it.
He clearly didn't go to...
All right, we got the fairings on. Steven is going to give us some flybys. We're going to stand outside in the freaking frigid temperatures. But look at that. That looks so much better than that big, bulky thing that sat down there. That looks so much better, bro. And he took the mirrors off, so now it looks like a real bike. Finally, bro. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Looks good.
Let's see. Butt him up against the top ones. And
There we go. Money.
Fucking sweet. Damn.
this is definitely 100% Austin Racing exhaust.
100%.
100%.